Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here. So, as you can probably hear from the insane humming in the background, I got some cool stuff going on. That is a primeweld 225X TIG welder slash stick welder. It's amazing. It's super high quality while still being affordable. And I have some pieces of aluminum. And I'm gonna try my hand at TIG welding. I have never done this before. We haven't even started this in my classes that I'm taking. But I knew that this was kind of the direction I wanted to go. So here, let me, there we go, much better. I knew that this was kind of the direction I wanted to go. So the minute it came in, I wanted to set it up and play with it. It's been here since Friday. It's now Tuesday, and I want to play with it. So it's going to be crazy. I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to get any footage. We'll see how the first couple of beads, if I can even lay a bead, go. And we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so obviously this is the first time I've ever touched a TIG welder. It's a total mess, like beyond total mess, but also epically cool. So I did some dry runs with no filler rod just to kind of play with it, and then I started adding filler rod, and that's where shit just went crazy. So this is my mess. Tear me apart. It looks horrible. I don't care. I'm having fun. Blah, 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 blah. Still very cool. Don't care. Alright, look. So dry runs. First run. Second run. Got a little crazy away from the tungsten. Third run. Yeah. And then I went and I added filler rod. Now, like, I mean, you guys know what this is supposed to look like, and it's not that. So yeah, I feel like I have a ways to go. It's very, very, very cool. Still super excited, and I don't even care that it looks like total dog shit. Like, don't care even to the fucking slightest that it looks horrible. I'm gonna get this. I'm enjoying it, and it's freaking awesome. All right, guys. Alright guys, so I've been playing with the TIG welder for a while. This is the primeweld 225X, and it sure seems to be freaking awesome. I have never TIG welded before. Let me start with that. I've never picked up a TIG torch before, but it's kind of something I want to do. So I bought one. And I'm starting to get, other than this horribleness here, starting to get stuff that looks like these. So, I mean, I must be headed kind of in the right direction. And of course, while I'm filming, what I produce is total trash, which is fun. You know, because that's the way we like it. Balled up my tungsten. Alright, so what setting did I change? That's totally destroyed what I was putting down, which was half decent. And once again, already balled up my tungsten. So we'll try and do something. Photograph. Okay, at the end it got a little better, hotter. I was melting the aluminum a little bit at the end. I don't know if you guys can see the divot here. It got okay right there. Less speed. This is going to be a fun journey, guys. Alright guys, so the primeweld 225X is awesome. I really like working with it. My welds are trash, like trash. This is on aluminum. I'm gonna pull out some mild steel. Woo, fucking A. I'm gonna let the shit cool down. Pull out some mild steel, because I have filler rods for everything. I bought aluminum filler rods, I bought mild steel filler rods, I bought stainless steel filler rods. I'm in this to win this, so I'm gonna keep putting in till I'm putting down fucking perfect stacking dimes. Hopefully, one day, maybe by the time I'm 70, I don't know. Lots more of this to come. Hopefully you're enjoying it. We are at 322 subscribers. If we can get to 350, I will put out a badass burnout video with car. I appreciate everybody that's watching, everybody that's dealt with me swapping over to welding rather than car stuff for now, because this is kind of where my life is going and where my passion is right now. I really appreciate it, and keep it watching, keep liking, keep commenting, tell me anything, fucking, whatever. Alright guys, talk to you later.